Since being declared a global pandemic, COVID-19 has ravaged many countries worldwide, and it is an issue of major concern to everyone. METADICHOL is an immunomodulatory and viral inhibitor that competes with virus to prevent them from binding to the vitamin D receptors and enter host cells. METADICHOL breaks down the viral envelope and spike protein, causes the virus particles non-viable, which blocks the virus from spreading to a new host. First, let's understand the mechanism of how coronavirus invading the human body. ACE2 is the invasion target of the coronavirus. It binds to the virus spike protein, which makes TMPRSS2 initiate the fusion of the S protein to the cell membrane and release the virus into the host cell. When the cells are infected by virus, it will cause the production of inflammatory factors. METADICHOL can destroy and prevent the coronavirus from entering human cells by 3 ways. Firstly, it will kill the virus by destroying its cell membrane while increasing the level of vitamin C and glutathione in order to decompose or dissolve the spike protein of the virus, so that the virus are unable to replicate. METADICHOL binds to vitamin D receptors to regulate immunity and enhances antiviral activity by increasing vitamin C levels endogenously. Secondly, METADICHOL can inhibit the TMPRSS2 protease and inhibits part of the ACE2 receptor as well, thus blocking the infection pathway and the virus entry mechanism. Clinical trials have confirmed that METADICHOL is 270 times more potent than camostat mesylate at inhibiting TMPRSS2. Thirdly, if the virus gets inside the host cell, METADICHOL can inhibit the virus from producing spike protein, prevents virus from synthesize and replicate in the body. At the same time, METADICHOL helps reduce inflammation and suppress cytokine storms by inhibiting pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines. What is a cytokine storm? After the virus invades the lungs, the immune system will send a large number of immune cells to the infected lung tissues to kill the enemies. Usually, the invasion of viruses or pathological changes of cells will cause immune cells to release pro-inflammatory factors by activate more immune cells to overcome the inflammatory response. After that, the anti-inflammatory factors will be produced to reduce the inflammatory response and maintain internal balance. Once a cytokine storm occurs, it will quickly cause uncontrollable inflammatory responses and symptoms such as high fever, blood vessel rupture, and organ failure may occur, result in cell suicide or programmed cell death. Patients with chronic diseases such as diabetes, coronary heart disease, renal failure tend to have multiple organ failures, severe blood losses, coma, and an increase in death rate. Current studies have shown that patients with COVID-19 have abnormal coagulation functions and inflammatory factors. METADICHOL inhibits the pro-inflammatory factors and chemokines, while activate gene function in chromosomes to help correct abnormal biological indicators. Besides that, METADICHOL may help to avoid septic shock, organ damages, and death caused by uncontrolled inflammatory responses. The level of D-dimer in severe COVID-19 patients are significantly higher than that in mild patients. Thus, METADICHOL can reduce D-dimer level to help combat thrombosis. This indicator is used to detect the formation of blood clots. Many thrombotic diseases such as myocardial infarction, cerebral infarction, pulmonary embolism, and venous thrombosis are associated with an elevated D-dimer level. METADICHOL binds to vitamin D receptors to enhance antiviral effect, protect toll-like receptors, and regulate immunity by enhancing the function of CD34 pluripotent stem cells to differentiate into immune cells such as newborn T cells, B cells, and NK cells. At the same time, METADICHOL reduces the red blood cell distribution with RDW to prevent hypoxia, pneumonia, and kidney failure. Most of the COVID-19 patients developed sequelae after infection, according to a study by the Faculty of Medicine of CUHK. Up to 76% of patients developed sequelae 6 months after recovery. They may experience at least one symptom, including fatigue, poor memory, severe hair loss, anxiety, gastrointestinal problems, difficulty in sleeping, and a weakened immune system. Other research institutions have also found that long-term COVID symptoms include immune disorders, loss of taste and smell, chest pain, shortness of breath, headaches, muscle and nerve pain, skin allergies, and relapse of illness. METADICHOL can prevent infection, alleviate the illness condition, speed up recovery, and prevent complications of COVID-19 infection through a variety of mechanisms. Finally, as for the direction of usage for healthcare, take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily, for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 5 sprays, at least twice daily. In addition, people with underlying health problems can take at least 10 sprays, at least 8 times daily for the first bottle. Second bottle onwards, take at least 10 sprays, at least 5 times daily. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.